Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you could easily put numbers from 1 to 100 in Excel in 2 or 3 easy steps. To begin, just open your Excel file, locate the cell where you will need the numbers to be typed. For example, I need it here. It can be either in the column or in the row. So here I will type number 2 and number 3. Select everything and click on the right and drag everything until you reach the number you want. In this case, we said until 100. So here is 100. And as you can see, it's been added automatically. We can also do the same way in the other side. Just 2, 3, 4. Select again and take it until you reach the number 100. And here it's been added accordingly. Now all what you need to do is to save your file. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.